fly guest. Does anyone know that word for something that doesn't naturally live here? It's introduced a lot of times. Rhymes with pervasive. Invasive, very good. So these wolves are an invasive species. Look over. Say trees, trees. All right, that one looks great.
So what he's doing is that he's grabbing the air with his tongue and he's taking it into his mouth really quickly so that he can smell really fast to tell whether you are a predator or prey. So if he does that, he's just trying to be in dark. His nose kind of feels like a little bird. He was really excited to meet you guys today. He was out and all ready to come out and see you. Oh yeah, that. And we used to have garters taken in the wild. And the three-toed box turtles are taken out of the wild. So that's why we don't have an eastern box turtle here. And the problem with the eastern box turtle is that the first thing is that they're running out of land to make their homes in forests and stuff. And the other thing is that they people like to take them out of the wild and make them into pets. Because she seems like a pretty nice animal, right? But we don't want to take them out of the wild if that's where they live. We want to keep our animals wild if they're outside already.